आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे द बेस्ट सूटेड प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर ओपन पोर्स, एनलार्ज्ड पोर्स, क्लॉग्ड पोर्स एंड बेसिकली हाउ टू हैंडल देम। आई विल आल्सो बी लीविंग टाइम स्टैम्प्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, तो आपको जिस सेक्शन पे स्किप करना है आप इजीली वहां पे स्किप कर सकते हैं। आपको एक बेसिक सी चीज बताना चाहूंगी, open pores is something, it's not like a door. You cannot open or close it. You basically can keep them clean and which can eventually उसकी जो appearance है उसको minimize कर सकता है। आपको कुछ specific products अपने skin care में include करने चाहिए। So yeah, finally let's get started. So the best suitable face wash for open pores needs to have these few categories. It should be oil free, it should be non comedogenic, because clogged pores का सबसे बड़ा इशू ये होता है कि जो स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स आप उसमें यूज कर रहे हो वो जाके आपके पोर्स को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, क्लॉग कर देते हैं, which can eventually result in blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, acne, all of that. And it should be gentle on your skin. And my recommendations for the amazing face washes that can help you with your open pores would be number 1, without any fail, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. If you want to watch a detailed review on Cetaphil, that's gonna be linked here again. It's an amazing video. Then second recommendation would be AHA Glow, और AHA Glow से भी कहते हैं. It's like a face wash जिसे generally dermatologists recommend करते हैं. It has glycolic acid which can help you getting rid of the dead skin cells and eventually clean out your open pores. And my third recommendation in this list would be Bioderma's SensiBio range. So the cleanser from SensiBio range of Bioderma is going to be amazing if you go for that. Now, 2 things to take care of is that you need to wash your face twice every day without fail. Another thing is that you can try to wash your face with lukewarm water. खौलते पानी से नहीं, बट एक गुनगुना जो पानी होता है उससे फेस वॉश का ट्राई करना चाहिए. सो दिस इज अबाउट फेस वॉश. द सेकंड स्टेप इन द स्किन केयर रूटीन वुड बी योर टोनर्स. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट टोनर्स, मैं एक चीज यहाँ पे हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगी दैट दिस इज नॉट द एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ योर स्किन केयर रूटीन. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा, बट देन इफ यू इंक्लूड इट, इट्स ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ एडेड बेनिफिट्स. आप जो भी टोनर अपने रूटीन में इंक्लूड कर रहे हो दैट शुड बी अल्कोहल फ्री. So keep this thing in mind. So my recommendations for toners would be number 1, that would be Plum Green Tea Toner, because this has salicylic acid and it again has properties to remove dead skin cells and clear out your skin if you have like normal to oily skin. Otherwise the Chamomile Toner, the one in orange, that's also really nice. Second toner could be Bioderma's Tonique. So that's also an amazing product. Minimalist का 3% PHA toner है, that's alcohol free, it's amazing and affordable. Dermaco का 5% niacin वाला toner, that's also really nice. And then third, a little expensive, not little expensive, but this is like a luxury segment of toner, that's Paula's Choice BHA Exfoliator. It's like an exfoliator कम toner. So basically आपकी स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है dead skin cells हटाने में, उसको एक्सफोलिएट करने में. सो दिस इज लाइक एन एक्सपेंसिव कैटेगरी ऑफ टोनर, बट इट कैन डू वंडर्स टू योर स्किन. लिंक्स इन सभी प्रोडक्ट्स के फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल स्टोर्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, सो मेक श्योर यू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स फॉर श्योर. देन स्टेप 3 इन योर स्किन केयर रूटीन हैज टू बी सिरम्स. सिरम्स की बात करने से पहले मैं लोगों को ये बता दूं कि कुछ लोग आते हैं, मैं 14 ईयर्स की हूँ, कैन आई यूज अ सिरम. सी ब्रांड से दैट आप 15+ हो तो सिरम्स यूज कर सकते हो, बट my recommendation would be that start using these serums and all once you're maybe 19 or 20, but do not use it before that, because you are in your teenage and your skin is changing. So include a serum once you are maybe 20+. That's going to be my recommendation, but it's all up to you. Do check out the label. जो product पे होते हैं वो बता देते हैं कि इतने से इतने एज के लिए it's safe to use, so that's your call. Now serums की importance इसलिए है क्योंकि वो आपकी स्किन में बहुत deeply penetrate करते हैं, and moisturizers are not able to penetrate that deeper in your skin. Like the best serums for open pores, there are 2 categories. Okay, one is niacinamide serums. I have a detailed video on niacinamide which I'm going to link here, please watch it. And then second would be retinol based serums. So niacinamide serums की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो they are really nice if you have open pores, clogged pores या enlarged pores आपके हैं, आपकी skin oil production बहुत ज्यादा करती है, sebum production excessive करती है, तो niacinamide rich serums are perfectly fine to include in your skincare routine. So my recommendations for a few niacinamide serums that can work on your open pores would be from brand number 1, Minimalist. I have Minimalist in a lot of categories because इनके जो products and that's really affordable. So Minimalist का 5% niacinamide serum भी, and then there's 10%. If you're new to the serums, start with the lowest percentage and then you can gradually increase. इस चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा. डू नॉट गो क्रेजी कि सबसे ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वाला ले लूं मैं, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो इफ योर हाउ योर स्किन इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट. सो मेक श्योर यू keep this in mind. Second serum recommendation for open pores is again from Minimalist. This is 2% salicylic acid. Now this is not a niacinamide serum, but then it has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid आपके pores में जो गंदगी होती है उसे बहुत अच्छे से मेल्ट डाउन करके आपकी स्किन को क्लीन करता है. तो अगर आपको बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम एनलार्ज्ड पोर्स का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यू कैन जस्ट सी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्लैकहेड्स हियर एंड देयर एंड थोड़े बहुत पोर्स इस एरिया में. सो आई विल से कि आपको मिनिमलिस्ट का सैलिसिलिक एसिड वाला सीरम लेना चाहिए. इट्स 2% concentration. Really great for clearing out, pores, cleaning them. So that's about it. Then third recommendation would be from Dr. Sheth's Centella and Niacinamide Serum. This is like a 10% concentration of niacinamide. So make sure that you know how your skin is going to react to niacinamide before, going to a higher concentration. So these are my few recommendations for niacinamide serums. Links description box mein honge, again saying that. So make sure you check it out. Now let's move on to the second category of serums. Now retinols are making a huge round in the market, but before including retinol in your skincare routine, आपको कुछ चीजें जाननी चाहिए या कुछ चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Number 1, do not use retinol serums until and unless you are 23 plus. Definitely not recommended. Second, if you're pregnant or if you're breastfeeding, make sure you consult your doctor before including retinol in your skincare routine. But if you're using a retinol serum, make sure you use it at night. And fourth, do not forget to follow it up with the sunscreen the next morning. Alright, तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. I'm going to make a detailed video on retinol serums or retinoid very soon, but till then I think itna knowledge is more than enough for you guys. So my recommendations for retinoid serums would be number 1, the very mild one is Olay Regenerist. So this comes with niacinamide, so it has a combination of both niacinamide and retinol, and it's going to show amazing results. But then you'll have to wait because इसमें retinol का concentration बहुत कम है. टाइम लगाएगा आपकी स्किन पे दिखाने के लिए रिजल्ट्स, बट it's worth investing in. Second recommendation from retinol serum for open pores would be again from brand Minimalist. It's a 0.3% retinol serum. And the third option, which is great for beginners, if you're just starting to include retinol in your skincare routine, you can go for Neutrogena Wrinkle Repair. This is not a serum, but then it works like that. It's great for beginners also. I'm gonna leave the links for all of them in description box below. उन्हीं को refer करिएगा. Alright, so when your skin is newly exposed to retinol, it might react a certain way. You might get a little bit of redness या थोड़ी skin पे dryness और peeling आपको देखने को मिल सकती है. तो इस चीज का ध्यान रखिएगा कि immediately अपने रूटीन में रेगुलरली रेटिनॉल नहीं इंक्लूड करिए. स्टार्ट विद मे बी alternate days, and then if your skin is perfectly fine, then increase it to daily. So the next very important step of skincare routine in general and here for open pores would be a good moisturizer. All right, now moisturizer is must for every skin type. Doesn't matter if you're oily or not. Oily skin वालों के लिए भी moisturizer चाहिए ही चाहिए. The importance can be understood in this video, which I'm going to link right here. I have a whole list, like a playlist of videos for oily skin, dry skin. Make sure you watch that. एक प्रोडक्ट की recommendation उसमें है. Now enough about that. Moisturizers की बात करते हैं. Number 1, if you're definitely using a retinol, try including maybe a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer. So number 1 could be Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Cream. It's really wonderful if you have dry or very dry skin. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's a great thing for your skin. Second could be again a moisturizer from Minimalist. This is Minimalist Cepicam Oat Moisturizer. That's also wonderful. Then another moisturizer is from brand It's Skin Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. So these are amazing ones if you want to pair it up with a retinol depending upon your skin type. आप पूरे वीडियोस प्लीज देख लेना बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्किन टाइप होते हैं. कैन नॉट कवर ऑल ऑफ देम हियर. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ फ्यू मॉइस्चराइजर्स की सजेशन. अनदर very nice moisturizer could be from Cetaphil. I am a fan of Cetaphil Damn Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. That's wonderful. So you can go for Cetaphil moisturizer also. Another product in the category of moisturizer is from brand CeraVe. CeraVe is going to be expensive definitely as compared to the other products featured in this category, but then CeraVe is also amazing non-comedogenic moisturizers. All right, so मैं ये बताना भूल गई, जब moisturizer या कोई क्रीम खरीद रहे हैं अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में ध्यान ये रखना है that your moisturizer is oil free, it is non-comedogenic. And then obviously last but the most important step of your skincare routine is going to be a sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen तो किसी भी हालत में skip नहीं करना है, even if you're using serum or not. जनरल कैटेगरी में भी आपको सनस्क्रीन यूज करना ही है. अगर कोई स्किन की सिचुएशन या स्किन कंसर्न नहीं है तब भी सनस्क्रीन यूज करना है. इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. माई फ्यू फेवरेट्स आर one from Neutrogena. Again, I've done a detailed video on Neutrogena sunblock. It's like 50 SPF, PA++, UV and UVB protection. So that video you're going to find here. You can, go for Neutrogena. The second recommendation would be from brand Bioderma Photoderm sunscreen. Recently discover kiya hai maine, but then I've fallen in love with it because it has amazing milky and beautiful texture which doesn't leave any white cast. उसकी भी एक वीडियो चैनल पे अवेलेबल है. दैट्स ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी लिंक्ड राइट हियर. एंड देन थर्ड कुड बी वन फ्रॉम सेटाफिल. सेटाफिल का सनस्क्रीन भी बहुत अमेजिंग है, इवन दो इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव, बट इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड दैट, गो फॉर द वन फ्रॉम सेटाफिल. So that's about sunscreens. Very important. Do not skip it. So now that we've talked about the best products for open pores, a few quick points जो मैं यहाँ बोलना चाहूंगी is that if you have open pores का issue, keep your skin clean. Do not let sweat accumulate on your skin. If you exercise, keep a hand towel or a tissue handy so that you can wipe your sweat off. Another thing is when you're exfoliating your skin, be mild, like be gentle. Okay, don't just rugidify your skin and go crazy with it. Just be gentle when you're exfoliating your skin in general. Another question which I'm pretty sure must be arising in your mind is कि क्या सारे products एक साथ लेने हैं? तो I will say नहीं. प्लीज सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एकदम से अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में नए मत लाया करिए. स्टार्ट विद स्टेप 1. मे बी यू कैन स्टार्ट विद अ फेस वॉश, अ न्यू फेस वॉश. मे बी यू कैन स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू सीरम. बट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग ऑल द न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स टुगेदर इन योर स्किन केयर रूटीन is not something which I recommend because आपको पता नहीं चलेगा क्या प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए काम कर रहा है. Now another very important and frequently asked question is कि क्या हर एक स्टेप जो आपने बताया वो डालना है अपने स्किन केयर रूटीन में? तो नहीं, हर एक स्टेप की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आप करते हैं तो दैट्स वेल एंड गुड, बट इफ यू कांट डू इट, यू नीड टू स्टिक टू अ गुड क्लेंजर, a good moisturizer and a good sunscreen. These three are like इनको स्किप करना is not good. And yeah, I think this is all we have for today's video. सारे ही products के link, again I'm repeating myself, will be in description box below. Make sure you check them out. उनके prices भी क्या है सब updated आपको मिल जाएगा. So definitely check out the description box. And yeah, I think this is all we have for today's video. If you have any comments, make sure you leave them in the comments section below because that's where I can reply. And yeah, so this was my product recommendations for open pores. Now before starting any new product, make sure you do a patch test because that's very important. ये मेरे recommendations है, आपको शायद सूट करे या ना करे, इस चीज का ध्यान आपको ही रखना पड़ेगा. Alright, I'm gonna see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye, take care, ta-da.